today's session we will be seeing how you can download Python and Python editor. Okay, first we'll see how to download Python. So you have to go to www.python.org. This is the website to download. Just click enter. You will get a page. In that you can go to downloads. So this downloads, you can see the latest version Python 3.10.0. So this is the latest version. You can download from here. Okay, after downloading you can download a friendly editor which is called as pycharm. So what is the website to get pycharm? JetBrains. I will be showing you in the description box, or I list out in the description box. JetBrains pycharm. So just click this one. You will get jetbrains.com and pycharm is there. Just click this one. So when you click this one, you will get download. Click download. There will be two types of download. One is professional, the other one is community. You just click community. Okay, when you click community, you can see a window like this. Okay, you can see a window like this. This is how pycharm will look. Okay, from the next video I will start the introduction of Python. So what is, how to print, how to get input, what is variables, what is for loop, all will be covered in the upcoming videos. Thank you.